Hello friends, so this is a problem in which we have to verify whether a string containing a parenthesis open and closed, whether it's a valid parenthesis or not. So if we see here from the first example, this is a valid parenthesis and because it has opening and closing, and this is also a valid parenthesis, but this is not a valid parenthesis because opening and closing are different. So how are we going to solve this? Is First, we will take a stack and we're going to use the stack data structure, and then we are going to push when open parenthesis and pop uh, when it's closed, then we need to um, check the top of stack, and if it's matching, then we pop it. uh, if matching, then pop. If not matching, then um, then it's not right. Um, it's not a valid parenthesis. Not valid. So how we're going to code this is, first of all, we're going to take the length of the string, and we're going to take a stack of characters. Let's just do equals to a new stack, and then we are going to loop int I goes to 0, I less than length I plus plus. So yeah, if s dot caret I equals to uh, open or or if it is an open curly brace, or it's an open square bracket, we're going to push the s dot caret I, and else we're going to check, right? um, Else it would be a closed bracket, it would be a closing bracket. So first we're going to check if the stack is, if is it empty. If it is empty without a bracket, then without a closing bracket, uh, then we return false. And if s dot caret I equals to closing bracket or caret I, if it's a closing bracket and s, and at the top is should be a opening bracket, then right then only then we're going to pop. If it's on the top, it should be a closing bracket. The next character is the closing bracket, and if on the top it's an opening bracket. Similarly this, uh, yeah, similarly this one, for others also. Or if it's a closing bracket here, then it should be opening bracket here, and it should be or. If it's a closing square bracket, then on the top it should be a opening square bracket. Then we pop, right? Else, else, else it's not a else return false, and we loop, and in the end we check if the stack is empty or not. If it's empty, then we return true, or if it's not empty, return false. So yeah, let's try to run this. The yeah, the simple test case has passed. Let's try to run this for more. Wrong answer, wrong answer. Yeah, it's accepted, right? So yeah, that's it. So we are going to use a stack data structure. When it's an opening bracket, we are going to push the character, and when it's not an opening bracket, we're going to check first of all if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, and uh, so then we return false. If the stack, if it's a closing bracket, then we need to check for the top one. So it should be an opening bracket, and we pop it if it's that's the case. Otherwise, we return false because it would be a mismatch. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.